Ernst van Groningen from the International Science Program at Uppsala University. We have supported physics, chemistry and mathematics, the so-called basic sciences, in low-income countries since 1961, so almost for 50 years now. And we do this by means of research capacity building. We finance instrumentation, fellowships, make it possible for you to travel to conferences, to write your thesis, and so on and so on. And we're very happy to do this, and I'm also very happy to show up here today at the first regional workshop on gender equality in STEM. I want to emphasize that STEM is very important, and that gender equality in STEM is even more important, because unlocking the potential of all the brilliant students here in Africa and all the brilliant girls and women is a very difficult task. But it has to be done. It's necessary if the continent wants to develop in a good way. So we want to increase awareness of gender issues, not only amongst women, but maybe even more importantly amongst the male population, the male scientists, because many of them are not aware that there is a problem. So we really want to contribute by increasing the competence and self-confidence of the ladies, but we realize that it is a long process, that it will take a long time, and that there is still a lot of hard work to be done.